between chores. Yeah. Vacuuming and stuff. My mom's got a Dyson here, so yeah, I've got a Dyson and it's really good.
You're doing a fine job, Lee.
Get out of the way, a video camera's on.
What?
The video camera's on. On my iPad. I'm videotaping so that you can see that I logged in on both.
Where is it?
It's right here. So, hang on a second, I just need to turn around here, turn around, yep, there, Hopefully it won't fall over. But you should be okay. Internet, you know? No, wait a minute, you know? There, that's better. So then if I go over here, you can see me more or something like that. Like if I come over here or something, you guys can see me more. Yeah. Okay, now I gotta dump it out. Oh, I hear a ding ding ding.
Nice call. Did I hit the button?
You might have hit the button.
I must have hit the button.
Yeah, you must have accident, maybe. Yeah. Where?
The pharmacy.
Why?
Because I just called. They never shipped it. Never went out. I said, never mind, I'll come pick it up.
Okay, well, you can pick it up then, you know.
Will you take him for a walk?
Maybe when it works, you know. Which I'm hoping it will work soon. Once I take it, like.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll see you in a bit.
Okay. Yes. Why didn't they ship it out?
I don't know. Ooh, what's all this?
It's just dust and
Oh,
everything.
open it up.
Yeah.
Turn it.
Yeah.
Open it again. You could.
Yes. Oh, that's on. Yeah, there you go.
That's a lot of it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Done a fine job, Lee.
If you don't want to be on camera, I'd leave, you know. Because you, no doubt, you're probably too late anyways. I have my own YouTube channel, so I'll stick things on YouTube, eh?
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Very good.
And, I hope you don't mind being in it, even though it's unintentional, but...
It's okay.
Yeah, I just wanted people to see me doing the floors.
Mm-hmm.
Because I know some people have been putting like that stuff on TikTok about what and stuff like that, or YouTube about what they do, and you know.
Mm-hmm. I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah. Can you put this vacuum back? You know?
Just put it here for now.
Yeah.
When I get back.
Yes.
I can't believe I gotta drive all the way over there.
Bye. But sorry guys, my mom unintentionally gets in front of the camera right now, realizing it's on, or you know, it's still on. So when you guys see my mom, she unintentionally got in there. It was basically about me cleaning the floors, but she unintentionally got in there. So I was just like, you know what, Mom, if you don't want to be on camera, leave the area, because you know, sometimes, you know, I'm not gonna put her on. I don't want her to be on camera if she doesn't want to be, or if it's not meant to be her on camera, you know. It's just, it wouldn't be respectful. So I'm like, you know, I have my own YouTube channel. I hope you and you're on my video unintentionally, you know. So I made her aware, you know. So that was okay. Anyways, yeah, that was my video of me cleaning. Even though some gremlin got in my way, being my mom, you know, way of the camera. So, twice. Yeah, so hope you have a good day. Bye.